Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Here is I have this Vauxhall Corsa. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, basically you need the cover here. You just use your thumb, yeah, to push it open like that. Yeah, it's very simple, isn't it? Yes. Here's the battery CR2032. You know, to get it out, just use the small flathead screwdriver, just to squeeze it out like that. Yeah, and here's the battery. Okay, to replace it, you know, slot in like that. Slot in this angle in first. Slot it in and press it down, and press it down. Yes, and put the cover back on, just like that. Very simple. Line it up, press it down. Yep, that's it. This is it's a Vauxhall Corsa. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.